Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. All right. There's not a truckload to talk about this morning. From a daily chart perspective, we're hanging out below the green line now. We're below the daily mid-band. We have closed below there twice. We have spent the entirety of this Globex underneath it. So as we head into the week and we head into the next set of key economics, CPI, things like that, it's going to be really about whether or not the bears can hold it under the 20, under the blue line there, which is the 9-day. You've got, let's just go to the hourly chart. You got new weekly pivot, 47.55.17. So the weekly and the monthly are kind of jammed up. So, here's the thing. What are the chances that we get up there and chop around inside this stuff? They're pretty good. They're within four handles. Having a little bit of an early to midweek wrestling match there is not out of line. If you're the Bears, you've got to hold the 20 at all costs. You don't want to start getting back up into here, because if you start getting back up into the 9-day, well, then you're dealing with the 9-day with monthly, weekly, and the 20-day as support. And if the econ doesn't go the way of the Bears, well, then you're going to get a bleed up. We'll get back to where we were trading earlier in the week. If you're the Bears, look. So we're down here now. We're down in this consolidation zone from back, like mid-December. There's your 45.99 on the March chart, December 7. Job one for the Bears is to break last week's low, which is 47.02. You got to be printing stuff with 46s on it by the late part of the week. Otherwise, you're gonna be up here churning. And the nice part about last week, and the nice part about generally the way the Bears have acted since the 48-41, is they've done a very good job of fighting off spike after spike after spike after spike. This was a beautiful thing on Friday. Come right up into daily mid-band and forget it. That was great. So do I think there's going to be another spike to the upside? Yes, absolutely. 51 to 55 is a perfect place for that. And then it's about how do they react? Can they make another lower low? If they do, it's going to be a really nice little trader tape to get that done. All right, so what else are we looking at? You got volume weighted average price, proprietary moving average sitting 47.31, hourly mids 32.5, daily pivot is 32.5. Your overnight low, 15 and change. Up top, they did like 42 to 43. So watch these two pivots. Watch yesterday's low. Those are the two starting points for this week. Because right now, what you've really got is you got a low, you got a high. You got a higher low, lower high. It's just kind of churning here. It's not truly a triangle, but because it's too sloppy to be a triangle. But it's just kind of, it's just, we're chopping around. We got to deal with the roundy, or we got to deal with the 20-day down to the monthly pivot. You just hope there's enough elbow room that you can get some things done from a day trader perspective, that we're not stuck in a phone booth here. All right. Have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.